In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla door not opening due to the door handle not unlocking in your Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X. If your car's door handles aren't responding or unlocking properly, here's what you can do. Start by checking if your Tesla is unlocked. Ensure the vehicle is powered on and that you've either pressed the unlock button on your key fob, mobile app, or touchscreen. If the car is locked, the handles won't extend or unlock. Next, verify that your key fob or phone is within range and has sufficient battery. If you're using the app, ensure you have a stable internet or cellular connection. If the issue persists, try resetting the car's systems. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, attempt to unlock the doors again. For Model S and Model X, which have retractable door handles, check if the handles are physically extending. If they're stuck, gently push or wiggle the handle while pressing the unlock button to help release it. For Model 3 and Model Y, inspect the flush door handles to ensure they're not obstructed by dirt, ice, or debris. Clean around the handle area if necessary. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the door latch mechanism or sensors. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla door not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.